Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and I want to show you why you are going to love having this car wash mop on hand because it's so easy. It makes washing a car so much quicker. This is so convenient because the pole can extend or you can shorten it. So maybe you have a taller vehicle, maybe you have an RV, we have a tractor, and we like to be able to get to the top with this pole. I love the microfiber cloth. It actually came with two. My husband likes to use one for the wheels and the tires to kind of get on that stuck on oil and grease off, and then he uses the other one for the car itself. It's so soft, and if you push on it, you can feel a sponge underneath the microfiber threads, and it's really nice because it gets a good sud, so you're able to really push on your microfiber cloth, and you know you're not going to be scratching your car, and you can get that dirt and grime off. Maybe you don't need to use the pole. Well, you can just unscrew it from the mop head and use it with just your hand. I really think that you're going to enjoy washing your car if you get this car wash mop. I know that we love it, and that's our point of view.